Good morning, children. Our next block is factors multiple. This is the keyword divisibility test. So you have to learn this word. So what is meant by divisibility test? A number is divisible by another number if it leaves no remainder. Okay? When we divide a number by another number, if we get the remainder as 0, we can say that that number is divisible. Okay? Divisible by means if you divide one number by another, the result is the whole number without a remainder. So the remainder should be 0. We'll see some examples. 12 divided by 6. Okay, now we are going to divide 12 by 6. So now we have to use the sixth table. So 6 ones are 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12. So here we get the answer as 2. Here the remainder is 0. So 12 is divisible by 6. Then 15 divided by 5. So which table we have to use? Yes, we have to use the 5 table. So 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, then 5 threes are 15. So we get the answer as 3. 5 threes are 15. So the answer is 3. Here also the remainder is 0. So we can say that 15 is divisible by 5. So every number is divisible by itself and by 1. But most numbers are also divisible by other factors. So every number is divisible by itself means the same number. Okay, 15 is divisible by 15. The same time 15 is divisible by 1 also. Okay. But most numbers are also divisible by other. So now we are going to learn about divisibility test of 2. A number is divisible by 2 if the number ends with 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. If a number ends with, that means the last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 means that number is divisible by 2. We'll see some example. 8. Okay. So 8 is in the list now. So 8 is divisible by 2. Then here 12. What is the last number here? 2. So 12 also divisible by 2. Then next number 56. What is the last number? 6. So 56 also divisible by 2. Then what is the next number? 78. What is the last number here? 8. So 78 is also divisible by 2. Then look at the next one, 115. What is the last number here? 0. So 150 also divisible by 2. If the last number is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 means that number is divisible by 2. So a number can be divided by 2 if the last digit is even. So we can easily say that if the last digit is even number, that number is divisible by 2. So divisible by 2 ends with 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Okay. Now we are going to see some examples. Now we are going to find out the factors of 10. Okay. So 10 comes in one table, isn't it? So 1. 10 comes in two table, isn't it? Yes. So 2. Does the 10 comes in 3 table? No. 3 3s are 9, then 3 4s are 12. So 10 doesn't come in 3 table. Then 4 table also no. Then 5 table. 10 comes in 5 table. 5 twos are 10. Then 10 comes in 10 table. 10 ones are 10. So these all are the factors. 1, 2, 5, 10. These 4 numbers are factors. Then 12. 12 comes in one table. Then 2 table. Yes, 6 2s are 12. The 2 6 are 12. So it comes in 6 table as well as 2 table. So 2. Okay. Then 3 table. Yes, 3 4s are 12. Then 4 3s are also 12. So 3 and 4, 6, then 12 table. 14. 14 comes in one table, then 2 table, 2 sevens are 14, then 7 table, 7 2s are 14, then 14 table. Next 16. 16 comes in one table, 2 table also, 2 8s are 16, then 4 4s are 16, 4 table. So it doesn't come in 5 table, 6 table, 7 table also. Then 8 table, 8 2s are 16, then 16 table. Okay. Look at this table here. So every number is divisible by 1. Okay. 10 also divisible by 1. 12 also divisible by 1. 14 also divisible by 1. Then 16 also divisible by 1. So every number is divisible by 1. Okay. And also 10 is divisible by 10. 12 is divisible by 12. 14 is divisible by 14. 16 is divisible by 16. So every number is divisible by the same number. Okay, the number itself and by 1. Okay. So look at the remaining numbers. Okay, in these 4 numbers, 2 is common in all the numbers. So the common factor is 2. Now divisibility test of 5. A number is divisible by 5 if the number ends with a 0 or 5. So here if the last number is 0 or 5, then that number is divisible by 5. 5 is divisible by 5. Then look at the next one, 15. What is the last number here? 5. So we can easily say that 15 is divisible by 5. 30. What is the last number here? 0. So we can say that 30 is divisible by 5. Okay. For smaller numbers we can use multiplication tables. Then what about the larger numbers? It is difficult to find out the larger number, whether it is divisible or not. So for that purpose only we are using this divisibility test. So 675. What is the last number? 5. So we can say that 575 is divisible by 5. Now 1500. 1500. What is the last number here? 0. So 1500 is also divisible by 5 because it ends with 0. So if the number ends with 0 or 5, then that number is divisible by 5. So if the number ends in a 5 or 0, then the number is divisible by 5. Okay, divisible by 5 ends with 0 or 5. Now we are going to find out the factors. Okay, 5. 5 comes in one table and 5 table. Next 10. 10 comes in one table. Then 2 table. Yes, it comes in 2 table. 2 5s are 10. Then 5 2s are 10. 5 table also. It doesn't comes in 3 table, 4 table. Okay. Then it comes in 10 table. 10 ones are 10. So these all are the factors. 15. 15 comes in one table. Okay. In 2 table? No. Then 3 table? Yes. 3 5s are 15. Then 4 table no. 5 table 5 3s are 15. So 5. 6 table 7 8 no. So then 15 comes in 15th table. 20. So 20 comes in one table. Then 2 table. 10 20s are 20. 2 10s are 20. So 4 table also. 4 5s are 20. The same way 5 4s are 20. It comes in 5 table also. Then 10 table. 10 2s are 20. Then 20 table. So here the common factor is 5 except one and the same number. So 5 is common in all these numbers. So here the common factor is 5. Divisibility test of 10. If a number ends in 0, it is divisible by 10. So if the last number, okay, if the last digit is 0 means it is divisible by 10. We'll see some examples. 10. So 10 is divisible by 10 because the last digit is 0. Then look at the next one, 130. What is the last number? 0. So it is divisible by 10. Look at the next one, 5470. What is the last number? 0. So it is divisible by 10. Then 70. What is the last number here? 0. So it is divisible by 10. Then 150. What is the last number? 0. So it is divisible by 10. So a number can be divided by 10 if the last digit is 0. So divisible by 10 ends with 0. Okay, now we are going to find out the factors for 10. 10 comes in one table. Then 10 comes in 2 table. It doesn't come in 3 table. Then 4 table also it doesn't come. Then 5 table. Okay, 5 2s are 10. Then 10 table. Now 20. 20 comes in one table. Then 2 table also because 2 10s are 20. Then 10 2s are 20 in 10 table also. So 2, 3 table it doesn't come. Then 4 table and 5 table. 4 5s are 20. 5 4s are 20. So 4 and 5. Then 10. The same number 20 table. Then 30. So 30 comes in one table. 2 table. So 30 is divisible by 3 also. 30, 10 3s are 30. Then 5. 5 6 are 30. 6 5s are 30. So it comes in both 5 and 6 tables. Then 10 table. Then 15 also. 15 2s are 30. Then 30. 40. 40 comes in 1, 2 table. 40 is divisible by 4. 10 4s are 40. Then 40 is divisible by 5 also. 5 8s are 40. 8 5s are 40. So 40 is divisible by 8 also. Then 10, 20, then 40. So these all are the factors. Here the common factor is 10. Here even 2 is also a common factor. Okay, but now we are learning about divisibility of 10. So I have written as common factor is 10. Okay, if a number is divisible by 10, will it be divisible by 2 and 5 always? If a number is divisible by 10, that means the same number is divisible by 2 and 5 always. Why? This is a question. 10 is the multiple of 2 and 5, isn't it? 2 5s are 10. So 10 is the multiple of 2 and 5. 2 5s are 20. 2 5s are 40. 2 5s are 60. 2 5s are 80. 2 5s are 90. 2 5s are 100. 2 5s are 200. 2 5s are 250. 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 2 5s are 200. 2 5s are 200. 2 5s are 250. 2 5s are 200. 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 the numbers divisible by 10 end in 0 always. So if a number ends with 0 means that is divisible by 10. The number that end in 0 are also always divisible by 2 and 5 as per the divisibility test. Okay. If the last number is even means that is divisible by 2. So 0 is also a even number, isn't it? Then if the last number is 5 or 0, it is divisible by 5. So here also 0. Then if a number is divisible by 10 means the last digit should be 0. So if a number is divisible by 10, it should be divisible by 2 and 5. Okay. Which of the following numbers are divisible by 2, 5 and 10? First sum 15. So now we are going to check the last number 5. What is the last number here? 5. So it won't divisible by 2, but it is divisible by 5. Okay. Here the last digit is 5 now. So it won't divisible by 10 also. So 15 is divisible by 5 only. Now look at the next number 140. What is the last number here? 0. Yes, the last number is 0. Is this even or not? Yes, 0 is the even number. So 140 is divisible by 2. Then here 0, no? Now we are going to check the divisibility of 5. So if the last digit is 0 or 5 means it is divisible by 5. So here the last digit is 0. So it is divisible by 5 also. Then if the last digit is 0, it is divisible by 10 also. So 140 is divisible by 2, 5 and 10. Then 204. What is the last number here? 4. So it is the even number, no? So it is divisible by 2. If the last number, if a number ends with 4 means, is this divisible by 5 or 10? No. Okay. So it is divisible by 2. Okay. I gave this one as homework. Do the sums and send. Thank you, children.